Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make minestrone soup in an instant pot. First, gather your fresh vegetables and pantry staples. This recipe is perfect for a quick, comforting meal, bringing together robust flavors in a fraction of the traditional cooking time. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create a hearty, satisfying soup that tastes like it's simmered all day. Let's get started on this simple, yet incredibly flavorful journey. For your ingredients, you'll need 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely chopped. Also, have ready 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Don't forget 1 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini, and 1 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, rinsed and drained. Fresh spinach or kale, about 2 cups, will be added at the end for a vibrant touch. This combination ensures a balanced and nutritious soup. Begin by setting your Instant Pot to sauté mode. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes until softened. Next, pour in the 4 cups of broth, the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, the rinsed cannellini beans, and your preferred seasonings like Italian herbs, salt, and pepper. Secure the lid, set to pressure cook for 8 minutes, then perform a quick release. Finally, stir in the 1 cup of pasta and 2 cups of fresh spinach, letting it sit for 5 minutes to cook the pasta. Once the pasta is tender and the spinach has wilted, your delicious Instant Pot minestrone soup is ready to serve. Ladle generous portions into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese and a few sprigs of fresh basil or parsley. This hearty soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread for dipping. It's a perfect meal for any day, offering warmth and flavor in every spoonful. And speaking of smart choices, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.